After or before the effect of the corona, you should check this because it may cause for blood clotting, thrombosis, etc. Thus, it will become one of the major reasons for heart attack and stroke. Hello friends, welcome back to Special Health Media. This is John, your physiotherapist. Today, in this video, we will discuss about the post-corona side effects and its remedies. I am so glad to inform you that my channel got 1000 subscribers and I like to give thanks to all my friends for your valuable support. If you are watching first time, please subscribe my channel, like, comment and share my videos for your friends. Till today, most of the people are affected by the corona and recovered. Even after recovery from corona, we are not feeling well. In this video, we will discuss the major problems that occurs after the effects of corona and its solutions. So, do not skip the video, watch up to end to get the full information. Number 1. Hair loss. Most of the people who complains about the hair loss. In order to reduce hair losses, we have to do massage every day. It will increase blood circulation in the scalp. Moreover, taking of vitamin E and including vitamin A enriched vegetables to your diet will help the healthy production of sebum in your scalp. This will help you to reduce the hair loss to some extent. Number 2. Fatigue and lethargy. The common symptoms after the corona positive are lethargy and fatigue. We will feel weakness and energy loss in our body. To overcome this, take B-complex tablets and protein-rich foods, sleep well, do simple exercises like walking every day. Thus, you can increase your muscle endurance power. Initially, do simple exercise very slowly and you can gradually increase the number of exercises or durations of the walking or other treadmill exercises according to the tolerance capacity of your body. Number 3. Memory deficiency. Another issue that is seen after corona are memory deficiency and some emotional changes and loss of concentration. It is better to find out some leisure activities which increases our memory power like reading books or stories which will give relaxation to your mind to some extent. Playing chess, caroms, puzzle solving, etc. are very good to improve your memory power and concentration. In short, it is very important to get relaxed and reduce your stress and tension. Number 4. Calf muscle cramps. Calf muscle cramp are the other major issue that is complained by the clients with or after the corona. To reduce this problem, it is better to do calf muscle squeezing, ankle pump movements, bending and straightening of your knee joint, etc. That is, do all simple exercises that you can do without more strain and improve your blood circulation. Number 5. Vision problems. Another and important issue that complains by the people were vision problem. Increase the intake of vitamin A enriched foods or supplements which are good for our eye health. Moreover, do the eye exercises. It will improve the blood supply to the eye muscles. As any other organ in our body, eyes also needed some exercises, but we always ignore the importance of the eye exercises. So please concentrate on these exercises and avoid further complications of vision. Number 6. Breathing exercises. Corona mainly affects the lungs and reduces the lung muscle functions like expansion, which may cause for less oxygen intake to the lungs and reduces oxygenations of our blood. Less oxygen saturation, pneumonia, lung fibrosis are major cause for the death of the corona patients. So, breathing exercises like deep breathing, lung expansion, mainly coughing and huffing to remove the lung secretions are important. Exercises using spirometer will enhance your lung muscle expansion and thus increases the breathing capacity of our lungs. You can watch breathing exercises from our channel and learn how to blow the spirometer and practice well to strengthen your lung muscles. Number 7. Check D-dimer in your blood. If D-dimer is high in your blood, may cause for blood clot or thrombosis. Nowadays, strokes and heart attack more common after the corona affection. It is very dangerous because most of the people are affected by the corona without any symptoms, but the D-dimer may be high in their blood. Later will cause for thrombotic diseases and further complications. So, take prevention about this by consulting with a doctor. It is good to take anticoagulant medicines like aspirin or injections like enoxaparin to avoid blood clot to those people who have high D-dimer. Remember, take all these medicines with the directions of your doctor. Hello friends, it is better to take preventions to avoid further complications. So think seriously about your physical conditions. Don't think corona will not affect second time to you. If you get corona again, the situation will be very worse. So keep social distance, wear mask properly, increase your immunity power, maintain your physical fitness well. Be careful while using sanitizer, but it is important to use sanitizer to clean your hands. Meanwhile, wash your hands well before eating and cooking, especially before entering the kitchen, or otherwise it may contaminate your food and will cause for stomach problems. Also may cause for the burning of your palms while cooking. Hello friends, thank you for watching. If you think this video was useful to you, please like, comments and share this video for your friends. And do not forget to subscribe my channel and click bell icon to get the notifications of my new uploads. Thank you once again and stay tuned for our next video. Bye for now.